Hi, thanks for popping on today. This is Mel Bing, and today we're going to look at two different caps. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a basic cap and an elite cap? And what are the pros and cons? And what is it you should be looking for in your wig? They're just personal choices because the first up is going to be budget. A basic cap is budget friendly. And then a elite cap is more for someone who wants the bells and whistles and wants to have something that is lighter. Elite is lighter. Basic is just a little bit like, there's like 2.25 versus 2 ounces. So very little difference, but you can feel the difference. So let's go ahead and take a look at the budget first of the basic cap. And I like a basic cap, and I'll tell you one of the pros for me of a basic cap is this front up here. I know a lot of us we want that lace front, so if the wind blows, we want to wear it back, we can. But for me, a basic cap, the pro for me on that is that this softness up here on the top of my forehead, if I'm traveling or if I have to wear it like long, almost all day long from the time I wake up to the time I go to bed, I like this softness here on my forehead. The comfort level is there for me. So the only difference is this one it doesn't have the velvet, it's open, but that means it's lightweight. But you can see here how it has the hair sewn underneath the ear tabs. I love when they do that because when you pull it out, it's gonna look more like it's coming right out of your scalp. I like that. This does have a minimal nape. It's open. So when you're looking at this might be a good choice for summertime when you want more airflow, and it's an open wefting. Open wefting is also in a basic cap like this, stretchier, roomier. Guess what's great about this Raquel Welch Voltage in this basic cap? It also comes in petite, average, and large. So if you've had a hard time finding one in your size, this is a good wig. Let's talk about the color before I put it on. This color is a great color. I love the way that it transitions from a gray. This is ice Grantita, and it's white, pure white up front, mixed in with browns to form that gray. It gets darker and darker to really dark on the nape of it. And I just think it's really great. I think it looks natural, but yeah, at the same time, it looks really fashionable. So let's put it on. Just drop your head in and then get the ear tab, straighten it up, pull it up back here, put it where you would want your hairline, depending on if you have a short or if you have a really long forehead. Okay, so I just think this is such a cute wig. What do I like about it? Well, I like this flippy in the back. I like the way that you can make this look really fun, really fashionable. You can get lots of volume in this. So this one has a bit of permatease, but that is needed permatease because you're going to want to be able, since this is basic cap and this is wefted, it's sewn. Basic means the wefting and all is sewn down. So what you're going to like about that is that little bit of permatease that's going to hide any exposure of wefting, but it also gives you this great volume. So you want to get some good volume and have fun with it, do it. This is what you can be able to do, is really get some volume in there. You can use some wig wax, cream wig wax, put it in your hand, and then that way you can also get kind of directional with where you want it, maybe how you want the bangs to go, or maybe you want to really sleek it down and go with a whole different look. Now, if I spray this with water and use some wig wax, look at that. See how that just really changes the profile of it? Instead of it having it be all flipping, maybe I want it to really fringe and feather. This is all textured, cut, and it just has this perfect feathering in it. So I really like it. But you can see how you can really smooth it down and just give it a whole different look. I really like this. It even has just enough to give it that little bit of tuck behind the ears. Ladies, when I do this, it's not something you have to do. I just love showing you the versatility of a short wig and a way to get different looks out of it. Some of us are just ear tuckers. I feel like a little tuck in this, I just think it adds to the realism of it, and plus I just like the angles that it gives to a wig, or to even my bio hair. Have always liked tucking my hair behind my ears. So it's just a personal preference. Just always make the wig your own. That's what this is all about. So what do you think? I think Voltage, Raquel Welch Voltage, and a basic cap is a fabulous cap. With so many of you out there, petite, average, and large, are going to be able to find this wig in your size. So great wig. Remember, this one was the Ice Grantita. Pure white up here, gets darker in the back, down into the very back, very dark. Let me turn around for you. Isn't this cute? I just really love this wig. Okay, I even love it. And the next one too, because this next one is the Elite version of this. So let's take a look at the Elite version of this. First of all, the Elite version is 100% hand tied. So look at this cap. On top here, you have this whole area open to part it, and want to if you want a bit of a part in it. But look at this. This is hand tied all through here. So that's why this is called the Elite. This is much lighter. This is very thin. You can even see my fingers through there. See how light that is? So it's really going to be comfortable, and it's very, very, I can't say enough, lightweight. It's got the temple to temple, meaning from here to here, this temple to this temple, the lace front. So if you want to wear it back off your face, it has the velvet ear tabs, and down here it has the velvet nape. So these are very comfortable as well. They even have that little bit of hair stitched right underneath, so it comes out and looks much more natural when it's coming right out. Looks like it's coming out of the scalp. So this is the difference of seeing the Elite cap. Now this is very, very lightweight, and also because of the fibers. So this one that we're going to try on, this one is the Elite with the Vibrolite fibers. Now the Vibrolite fibers is ready to wear, specially formulated to simulate the natural look of protein-rich fibers. And it's 100% hand tied. This is only 2 ounces. So let's go ahead and put it on so you can see a bit of the difference. See how easy it is just to change your hair? No salons, no long blowouts. See, look at that. This is the Elite. Now this is the one with that Vibrolite fiber that's to simulate. And you can see here off the head, you're going to get more of that with the lace front, a natural, real look. So if you wanted to wear it back, with the little clip back, you could, if you want to style it back. So this one has more versatility. So that's one of the pros of a 100% hand tied. The lightness, the versatility of how you can wear it off your face and back. The realism is greater, and the lightness. And this fiber is really, really has a realistic look. Now this fiber I'm wearing is the 5660, and it's the silver mist. Really pretty. It's gray with kind of platinum with a mixture evenly through of brown, and then pure white throughout it. So I think it's a really great kind of match up for my hair, bio hair. So it's a really natural look. Again, you get that nice flippy. I like it. It's just a fun look. Perfectly feathered. It's really cute. But again, you're going to be able to style it your way, spray some water on it, you know, style it down, get the volume out if you're not crazy, or you just want a different look that day. That's the beauty of this, going from daytime maybe to work to nighttime. You know, maybe you're just young at heart and you want it to look like a fashion cut and come down like this. There's just so many ways to wear it. Change it up. Everybody's just going to think you went to the hair salon, and had someone fix it for you. And if they ask you who does it for you, just tell them Raquel Welch does my hair. That's how easy it is. So that's the difference in a basic cap versus an elite cap. And the main difference is going to be that you're going to have just a choice. I would do this, buy one of each. I'm not kidding. I have basic caps that I travel in. I have basic caps that I can be in all day long. And this cap is very comfortable. I have to tell you, I did wear it over the weekend, and I wore it 3 days in a row. I did. I wore it 3 days in a row, and it was very, very comfortable for me. This is a really soft lace on the front of this Raquel Welch. It fits well, so not any movement. If your cap is too big with that lace front, what can happen if it's not tight enough, or if it's too tight, it might go back, it might move back and forth, and then that's going to cause itch. So a wig grip like what I was wearing, and putting it on, getting the right tension on the back of it, make sure that it's not sliding back and forth on your forehead. So yes, that's my wig tips today to share with you, basic versus elite, and a Raquel Welch wig, and a couple of color comparisons. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Only 20% of everyone that watches my videos are subscribers. I would love to have you here and be a part of this community. So I'll see you here next time in the next video. Bye.